I would like to ask, did you pinch yourself the very first moment when you got a call for Pushpa?
Yeah.
Or did you pinch yourself at the moment when you saw yourself on the big screen and people are screaming for Pushpa 2?
I did not pinch myself when I got the call because I thought it's a prank call. To be very honest, the first title song of the film had released and I was shooting for something, and after the shoot I just made a quirky reel and I put it on Instagram, and it got viral. And cut to next day I got a call for Pushpa and I thought someone's actually playing a prank कि हाँ ठीक है कल reel डाली है तो आज call कर लेते हैं ऐसे. But then when we actually verified the information, it was actually someone from the director's team, and I was actually, I was like, is it happening for real? And हाँ थोड़ा सा कश्मकश था because till date my audience has loved me and they've only seen me in prominent roles, be it via family, Arakshan, Ghayal, Parvarish. So I was like, okay, this is a special appearance, it's just going to be one scene. But then ultimately I realized it's Pushpa, it's a brand,
Brand in itself.
correct. One would be really stupid to say no to a film like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to grab the opportunity, and I did it. And when I saw myself on screen, well, let's just say I looked beautiful.
So after watching yourself, in Pushpa,
Yeah.
so what was that first moment that hit you? Yeah, what was that first call that you got? Who was, who gave you that very first call and you were like, तूने बताया कि नहीं yeah, you are being a part of Pushpa? Because I was going through your Instagram, you just posted it 4 days ago that I
Yes.
am a part of Pushpa 2.
Yes.
So I think many of your audiences and your friends and family must have
Yeah.
told you very bad कि यार तू बताया कि नहीं you are going to be a part of Pushpa.
हर किसी का सेम रिएक्शन था. In fact, a lot of people told me, people who very close to me, my life, my family, friends, are like, अरे हमें तो बता देती, हम तो well wishers हैं, you don't tell the world, we understand. I'm like, I did not want to tell anybody. My own grandmother did not know. She just knew that I'm traveling to Hyderabad for a project, but I did not tell her the name, nothing. I wanted to keep it under wraps because वैसे तो लोग बोलते हैं बताना नहीं चाहिए, नज़र लग जाती है and all of that, but I have a very different reason कि I think the work should speak for itself. So when I saw the film, I saw कि okay, that scene is there, despite dialogues cut हो गए, बाकी 2 scene नहीं रखे, but I was like नहीं, मेरे 4 close-ups भी हैं, मैं notice तो होंगी. Now I can at least start telling people. क्योंकि कई बार बहुत दफ़ा मैंने देखा है कि आप शूट तो बहुत करते हो लेकिन फाइनल फिल्म में कितना जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है आपको पता नहीं है, तो आप पहले ही ढिंडोरे पीट दो और अगर वो फिल्म में नहीं है देन आपका इट्स जस्ट इट मेक्स यू लुक स्टूपिड. So I wanted to watch the film and then surprise the audience with the same.
And the very first moment when you saw Mr. Allu Arjun,
Yeah.
the icon star Allu Arjun.
Yeah.
So did you have flying, butterflies in your stomach here? Yeah, Allu Arjun suddenly is in front of me. मैं क्या बोलूँ?
नहीं, ये आज तक नहीं हुआ है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो बिकॉज ये लोगों ने मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट किया था जब मैं अमिताभ सर के साथ भी काम करने वाली थी कि तुम फंबल करोगी, तुम डायलॉग भूल जाओगी, ये वो. But I have a very different take when it comes to being on set, because when I'm on set I am not Anchal, I am the character that I'm playing. And चाहे वो आरक्षण था उसमें मुनिया इज़ अमिताभ सर्स स्टूडेंट, तो कोई भी स्टूडेंट अपने टीचर से तो डरेगी नहीं ना, मतलब जो कोचिंग क्लासेस ले रही है. एंड इवन इन पुष्पा आई एम प्लेइंग सौरभ सचदेवा's गर्लफ्रेंड स्लैश वाइफ. अभी 2 अलग अलग चीज़ें चल रही है क्योंकि कुछ लोग भाभी भी बोल रहे हैं, but let me just call myself his partner. So we are from Dubai, we're really this high end people, and we look down upon कि एक छोटा सा smuggler types and everything. So why will I be flabbergasted? I had to have that attitude and arrogance in the film. So मैं उसी character में थी, and Allu sir is so sweet, he's so humble. बल्कि जो डायलॉग नहीं रखा गया उसको करने के लिए उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया कि यू शुडंट सिट लाइक दैट, यू शुड जस्ट लाई डाउन ऑन द चेयर एंड देन लुक एट मी लाइक दैट एंड देन से योर डायलॉग, इट विल रियली मेक एन इम्पैक्ट. सो डिस्पाइट वो डायलॉग थोड़ा डिमीनिंग था, but he took it in high spirits and he's like, say it properly, you will look good. And I think that is what makes him an icon star.
And working in the South film industry,
Yeah.
so you have been working in this Hindi film industry as well for a very long time, almost close to 18 years. 18 years if I'm not wrong. So what is that difference you saw, the moment you landed at Ramoji Film City and you were like, मुझे लगा था कि यार कुछ ऐसा माहौल होगा सेट के ऊपर,
Yeah.
it completely change your perspective. So was there any moment that changed